Hey there, in this video, I will show you the world's first Google Bard-powered app. You can now stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive AI apps and enjoy a better, more engaging user experience. Get ready to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology of Google Bard and its AI-powered features that will redefine your chatbot experience. GoogAi, the world's first ChatGPT and OpenAi killer app, fully powered by Google's latest AI technology, Bard and Palm 2, that turns any voice command or keyword into real-time high-quality AI content such as high-converting AI content, stunning Ultra HD AI graphics and images, builds stunning pages and websites, writes codes, and answers all your queries in real time within seconds. Sounds like a life-changing deal? The first to market Google Bard-powered AI chatbot with unlimited usage. Stop worrying about the limitation and monthly payment for ChatGPT anymore. In 2 minutes, create and sell limitless AI content, designs, graphics, or anything you want. Here are the unique features of GoogAi, world's first Google Bard-powered AI chatbot. Create unlimited high-quality AI contents. Retrieves unlimited data from the web easily using AI chatbot. Designs stunning AI images, animations, and videos. Writes unlimited codes. Crafts high-quality plagiarism-free SEO content and ranks your websites. Scrapes unlimited sites from the web and retrieves real-time up-to-date data as per your needs. Create and sell unlimited Google's AI-powered chatbots to your clients. Build and sell Android and iOS app codes for maximum profits. Recurring income by charging your clients. Advanced NLP techniques to respond to unlimited queries. Unlimited usage without any restriction. GoogAi comes with Siri-like voice command technology. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. A fully cloud-based system that is secure, cost-effective, and lets you access your system from anywhere in the world with just a click. No technical setup or going through countless hours of tutorials to understand how it works. Just 3 simple steps and you are ready to use it. GoogAi is a revolutionary ChatGPT and OpenAI killer app that redefines the boundaries of AI content creation and skyrockets your traffic and sales like never before. Visit the link in the description to watch GoogAi in action now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.